Hi, welcome to my channel, or welcome if you're new. In this video, I'm making progress in the living room, washing the couch covers, picking up the floor, a lot of stuff on the floor, and getting it vacuumed. Gotta get ready for the tree to go up soon, so getting it all nice and clean. It's very overdue for a vacuum, so there's lots of vacuuming up, like goldfish crackers and stuff. My husband put away our clean laundry. Thank you, Annie. Fortunately, we've already got it piling up with dirty laundry, but that's how it is, right? Our kiddo unmade our bed for us. So I'll remake that at some point, but I think if I get a chance, I'm going to wash the bedding first or switch it out. I had gotten the bins out last night with Jacoby. I was hoping they'd take the ottoman, but I didn't have time to do a large item pickup request, so I'll have to just put that aside for them to take next time. But my husband put away the bins when he was on his way to take Jacoby to his mom's, Jacoby's grandma's. So thank you, honey. The part I didn't do yesterday was the kitty litter. James did that part because I'm pregnant. So yeah, all the kitty litter for the cats was done. I just didn't get that recorded. But who wants to see crap getting scooped anyway? Also, before he left with Jacoby, my husband switched the laundry, so there should be some stuff to take out of the dryer. Or no. Okay. He took the stuff out of the dryer, right? That was the stuff he put away. And I have to put the stuff from the wash into the dryer. More kitty litter here that he's still good because he did it yesterday. Been fed already. Daddy fed you. So note to ourselves, we need to get more laundry soap next time we go to Costco. So I had set a timer when my husband said he put the laundry in, so I'm gonna set another one, and since he's gone with Jacoby, I'm gonna get some stuff done. First I was doing some content editing, and I'm getting the previous video uploading right now. This is my plan for today. Getting as much as I can done in here anyways. This needs to be shaken and put in the wash, as well as the chair covers on those ones. And the floor needs to be picked up and vacuumed in here as much as possible. Soon we need to get the tree up here. And yeah, so we need to make room for it first. And there's some stuff to put away, and yeah. At this point, I'm taking off the chair covers off the dining room chairs so I can put them in the wash. Our cat likes to sit on them, so they're full of cat hair. Needless to say, the couch cover needs a wash too. It's full of crumbs from Jacoby mainly. I have to make sure I shake them out first before putting in the wash. I'm gathering some recycling here. I'm also shaking out Jacoby's car mat before I throw that in the wash. And I'm going to start picking up stuff, clearing stuff out from under the couch, and picking up stuff that's on the floor and putting it away. It's actually only a month till Christmas, but Jacoby likes playing with the Easter eggs and re-hiding them. So. I'm also making piles for other things that have a home, like his string set and Legos, and his ball pit balls and books. There's a bunch of Legos. Now this section of floor is pretty much ready to vacuum. Lots of mess on there. And this side needs to be picked up still. These piles in front of me are like recycling garbage and dishes that I found. Still more ball pit balls. I'm just straightening up this toy section over here. It's not too bad, but the Play-Doh bin got knocked over. I'm putting all the Play-Doh accessories back in there. This is where the strings, the Play-Doh, and the Lego go. I'm using this grabber to reach under the TV stand now. There's also a lot of stuff to pick up behind the recliner. And look, more ball pit balls. On the side there is our carpet cleaner, but I'm not going to carpet cleaning in this video, just vacuuming after tidying up. Like and subscribe, and eventually I will get to carpet cleaning again. You can check through my old videos and find some carpet cleaning videos probably if you want. I'm getting the laundry out of the dryer and putting in the couch and chair covers. And this laundry needs to go upstairs. I have two of the same car mats. This one was already washed and was hanging to dry, so I'll bring it upstairs. And here I'm dusting the furniture, and the drawer here had a bit of a spill, so that's why that's taking longer. Putting down the clean car mat. This is a stool from the kitchen that we were using as a side table. Something that helps keep me motivated when I'm cleaning at home is throwing on a YouTube cleaning video. Usually I watch someone else's, but right now it's one of mine on the screen. So just a suggestion, and feel free to use my channel for body doubling. If there's a Clean With Me channel that you like watching, please leave it in the comments below, even if it's zero. I'm always looking for more to watch. A slightly damp microfiber cloth and a polishing cloth is great for wiping electronic screens as well, especially like this that gets lots of fingerprints on it. So here's the progress so far. Oh yeah, and here's me putting the couch cover on when it was dry.
There you go.
And I put a clean carpet there. Well, the living room was clean briefly. Jacoby did put away the Play-Doh after he was done with it, though.